Cheers.
Cheers to science. Ready? Here we go.
Hi, I'm Brittany.
And I'm Stephen, and we're science interpreters here at the Franklin Institute.
And Stephen, with the holidays all around us, I figured there's no better way to celebrate the holidays than with science. So nothing warms my heart like a beautiful winter snow scene. So I thought we could make our own holiday scene with some instant snow. Now the lights here are pretty warm, so we're not going to get much frozen water, but we can make snow with sodium polyacrylate, a super absorbent material, and it's going to grow up to 400 times its size when it absorbs water. So all we have to do is add a little bit of water to our sodium polyacrylate, and let's see what happens.
Whoa.
And just like that, we've got some movie magic, instant snow. Wow!
All right, I thought we could have a little toast, Brittany.
Yeah!
So I made us some glasses. Here's yours.
Oh, thank you, Stephen.
Now, what I'm gonna do to decorate with some of this beaded garland is use Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia, which states that an object at rest will remain at rest until an outside force that's uneven acts upon it, and an object at motion will remain at motion until stopped by an unbalanced force. So all we need to do to get these motionless beads to move is add a little bit of force. Ready? It's working.
Ooh, that's a good way to decorate a tree. So this is my work menorah. When you work at the Franklin Institute like I do, you have access to some pretty cool things. So my menorah is made up of highly flammable balloons filled with hydrogen. Now, in order to light these, we're going to have to use safety first. So let's put our goggles on.
All right, and these are chicken sticks, which we'll be using to light our big menorah. And we call them a chicken stick because on one end there is a candle, and on the other end, a chicken, which, if you're doing an explosion, is the smartest thing you can be. Ready, Brittany?
Ready. 3, 2, 1.
If you want to see some of this stuff in real life, come to the Franklin Institute during holiday week.
And no matter how you celebrate your holidays, from everyone here at the Franklin Institute, we hope it includes light and love.
And science.
Happy holidays!